Well, good morning, folks. June 2nd now, day 6, and we are leaving Moosburg, riding back to the Grossglockner. Gonna ride it again today. Weather looks much clearer, so it should be another fantastic day on top. Hopefully won't have the same cloud cover as we did yesterday. And now we have Rob and Erwin and Otto have joined us. So it's a total of 6 in the group. We're making our way now to a petrol station to top off and then head up about an hour and a half or so back to the Grossglockner. GPS shows 2 hours 14 minutes, but I'm not leading today since Erwin, is very familiar with this area, so he's gonna point out the better roads after the Grossglockner and how to get there from here. But it is a stunning morning, 18 degrees, blue sky, partly cloudy. You see just scattered clouds here and there, not much. Should be a beautiful day for riding. We'll end up today in Rocca di Piatore, Italy, in the Dolomites, not far from Cortina. On the motorway right now. We're going to try to make good time up to the Grossglockner, and then that'll give us more time on the twisties. Angus has decided not to ride the Grossglockner again today, so he's riding straight on from here to the hotel. Have a bit of an afternoon off and relax and go for a stroll. Looking forward to some good Italian food this evening. So we won't bore you with the straight stuff. Stay with us and we'll come back to you in a little bit later on when we get up into the twisties. Yeah, just cruising through a small Austrian village on the way to the Grossglockner. Erwin's in the lead. Nice policeman just stepped out into the road. Just basically said, put his hand down a bit, like slow down a little bit. We weren't going fast, but probably exceeding the village speed limit, which is usually about 30 kilometers an hour. But very nice, they didn't pull us over and harass us, and they know what's going on up here. They know the bikes like to get up and ride and just want us to be safe. Very nice chap. Well, up to date, we've done 1,877 kilometers. I reckon we'll have about 25 under the belt at the end of this trip. Last year I did over 4,000 going down to Bulgaria and back. But I was by myself, didn't have, anyone wanting to stop and rest. I was just on a marathon to get down there over a 2-day period and then spend about 4 days and 3 days back. Yesterday when we came through here, there were 3 guys on these lines over here, each on a different line with a cart that was connected to the line, and they could move down each line and work on them. I've never seen anything like that before, working on high tension lines like that. Look at that beautiful waterfall. I think up here in Heiligenblut, or Heiligenblut, however it's pronounced, I'll stop and put my long sleeve undershirt on, because it's a bit nippy now and it's going to be even more cold up there. All right, just passed through the ticket booth. Only had to pay 12 euros since we bought the pass yesterday. And we are on the Grossglockner, but not quite up at the high point yet above the tree line, which will come soon. You can see it's still a bit in the clouds today. Oh, stunning. Must have some moisture between my pen lock and my mask, because face shield, because every time I close it I get a little bit of fogging in there. I had it off back before the tour in Nice, and cleaned it and put it back on. I got a little bit of an air gap between it. Probably about time to replace it and put a new one. But since I won't be doing much riding in Dubai due to the heat when I get home, there's no rush to do it. Oh well, the sign said go this way, so let's see where it goes. Well, we came the other way yesterday. So we're on the other side of the Grossglockner now, and we're going to ride up this section, but we stopped here at the Panoramic Restaurant for a coffee.
Welcome to the highest mountain in
Erwin, give us a little background.
This is the highest mountain of Austria.
When was it built?
Oh, maybe 100 years ago, I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
How many people took it? How many people did it take?
Yeah. And how many meters is it? Do you know?
About 3,750, I think.
Wow.
That's and the second one is the Grossglockner.
Uh-huh.
It's not that far away.
I can't say it. Can you say it phonetically? Look at that glacial runoff down there. There's even a little hut down there with a little waterfall. Let's zoom in. There you go.
They
What do you think, Rob?
It's just absolutely amazing.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. But I think we can go further than this, right?
Oh, I believe so.
Yeah. So let's give it a shot.
And there's a whole nother side.
Yeah, there's another side as well.
We'll have to hit that too.
Okay, we go there?
Yeah, we have to. I mean, we pay 26 euros, you know.
Oh, really? So we got to.
Wow, look at that glacial runoff, huh? That's nuts. Did you see those big waterfalls on the left as we coming up?
Really?
Yeah. Beautiful.
It's just beautiful.
Otto's found someone with an R9T,
Yeah,
so
no,
we've lost him now.
Yeah, no worries.
He's off in motor scooter land.
Yeah, he's up in ladies' bike land.
Yeah. He should give his R9 to his wife or his kid, you know.
That's what I said to him. Give it to your wife and buy
Yeah.
a real bike.
Yeah, exactly. Amazing Grossglockner. So we just went up to the viewpoint, took a few photos. Now we're going back down to the roundabout and the other way, so we go up the way we came yesterday. We have a lot of switchbacks up there and some great opportunity for pictures and video.